Hello, welcome to our Royal Typewriter for sale. Royal Typewriter is this machine. It's fun to type on, to hear the sounds of the, oh, I got to the end of the line there. Metal clicking. There is a magic margin here and a right margin here that you can change. There's a margin release. There are tabs to set for making columns like a spreadsheet. And you don't even have to look at the keys if you know how to type. You just look at the paper.
Tell me about the touch control.
Here, if it's thicker paper, you can set it to hit the paper harder. Look at the ink, okay? Oops, I pressed the wrong button. Okay. I'm going to change it to red. But oh, that's where the apostrophe is on the computer. Uh-oh. Don't have an exclamation point. Or a number 1. Just use the letter I in capital. Okay, so I think you're really going to enjoy this, and it's much more interactive and hands-on than just a flat screen. So that's why I like using it. Thank you for watching.